Garlic extract with ethanol are used in setup 1. For setup 2, oregano with ethanol are sprayed. There is a total of 3 trials. In every 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour, the reaction of flies will be recorded. Researcher will count how many flies repel during the application of the solution. For third setup, lemongrass extract are used. Researcher will do the same process. Flies that repel will be recorded. For our fourth setup, garlic, oregano, and lemongrass extract are used. Like in first, second, and third setup, the same process will be conducted.